Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Aqua Roll and WasteMaster, or better still, how to keep them clean. As we all know, we put our Aqua Rolls and WasteMasters away sometimes in the winter months, and they can be left with stagnant water inside them, and it's not very pleasant, especially with your Aqua Roll, because you're going to be using it to use for drinking water. So as a beginner, I was given a Aqua Roll and a WasteMaster by a friend. Now, I know he's a very clean person and he's a nice bloke, so thank you very much and thanks for the freebie. However, they have been sat in his shed for a while, so they need a bit of a clean. So I looked around and I thought, well, what can I use to clean these two containers? But I wanted something that was environmentally friendly. I know that there are products on the market like these, which can be used to clean and sterilise the inside of an Aqua Roll. But I have read online that can leave a bit of an aftertaste. So I found a natural product to clean that. And the WasteMaster, I also looked around for that, and I came up with not so much an environmental friendly product, but a little bit more milder, shall we say, than some products. So the two products we're going to be using to clean these two containers today are these: bicarbonate of soda for the Aqua Roll and Milton for the WasteMaster. So let's have a look at what we do and how we do it. Once the WasteMaster is complete with water, we then will roll it to agitate it and allow the Milton fluid to circulate throughout the WasteMaster. Best practice now is to leave the WasteMaster on its back as it is now and leave it for 24 hours and allow the Milton to do its job. Okay, this is the 40 litre, and the best practice for this is 2 large tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda. Once the Aqua Roll is full, then place the cap back on securely, and now we're going to turn it onto its side and roll it. The idea of agitating the Aqua Roll is to allow the bicarbonate of soda to mix with the water and get around the whole of the Aqua Roll inside. This now needs to be left for 24 hours, same as with the WasteMaster, in order to do its job. So we'll leave them to one side. Well everybody, that was how I've cleaned and sterilised the inside of my WasteMaster and my Aqua Roll. I know there's other videos out there, but I'd researched this online, and as a beginner I thought that this was the best way to go with it. It's not going to cost you much. Bicarbonate soda's only a couple of quid, and likewise the Milton's the same. Remember, like I said in the video, use food grade hose, don't use garden hose like I did. It was only for the demonstration purposes, but it's just a way of me demonstrating how I clean them. Well, thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, perhaps subscribe up here or watch some of our videos here. And also, if you are subscribed, thank you for your support, and we do appreciate your comments, but hit the bell button below so that you can get regular updates from us. Well, thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.